Are we live? Okay. Indian Tennis Daily. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Game Night with G, brought to you by K Resort, as always. And as you all know, we're having a very, very interesting little month going on with Game Nights with G, brought to you by K Resort. And this episode right now is particularly interesting because we have a team that has probably given the most comments to any team that's been on the show on Game Nights with G until now, okay? They've been the most active on the comment section and also made that total even tougher. So let's just give it a few moments till the team of Psycho Racket, the Bopanas, join us. But until then...
I'm waiting.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm waiting, you're waiting, and everyone's waiting for the Bopanas. So I'm going to quickly send out a request. Where is this? Yeah, there he is, Mr. Rohan. Will be joining us any second. And... Oh! Cheers, Bopanas!
Cheers, G man.
G.
And most importantly, G, today we want to say cheers to the people who's behind the scenes. They are the most important.
Oh, yeah.
First and foremost, let's say hi to them.
Please.
Cheers, Neha.
Cheers to the crew of Game Night. They have a special message for the men and women behind the show.
Hi,
Cheers,
Zabna.
you guys. Good job.
You guys are
Great job,
making the
everybody.
show happen.
Well, as you know, nothing can happen without the women in our life, right? Nothing can ever happen without the women in our life.
Absolutely.
Look
Yeah.
at you, G. Look at you.
So, for those of you just joining us, just to let you all know, a little snippet. This is, I believe, Supriya's first ever Instagram Live. So, welcome to Insta Live.
Thank you.
That's actually true. Not bad. You've done your homework pretty well.
As you know, we like staying behind the scenes and we make sure of that. But then you have to drag me out.
So, G,
I love your outfit.
as
You're so blingy. More bling than the wall. I love it.
You know what a fan I have been of your backlights. I have been commenting about that throughout. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to give that competition. So...
G, the main thing for us, Game Night is just about having fun.
I agree.
So one request from our side is, whatever the score may be, can you just tell us right in the end? We don't want section by section. One request. We are here to just enjoy and have fun with you.
Yeah, I agree.
Let me ask my scorekeeper and timekeeper if we can abide by that request. Can we tell them?
I think they'd like a break as well.
The final round. It's fine. Yeah. Okay. I don't control these decisions. They have agreed.
Perfect.
No,
Perfect.
we're just here for the fun of it.
Awesome, guys. Awesome. So Bopanas, Team Psycho Racket, I know you have contributed a lot from the comment section, Rohan. You built up the Patiala score to 845. But do you feel like you can take that down?
Hey, at the end, we shall see. As long as we're having fun tonight, that's the key. And sorry, Patiala Peg, if we happen to beat that score, I'm very sorry. But
Yeah, here's hoping. I mean, I have been promised 100 points, just saying.
Yes, we will discuss that, but I'm also seeing a lot of hair on Rohan's head. I'm also seeing that.
I'm very happy with this. I just got to know that, Bangalore is going under another lockdown for a week. So I don't know if, that's the week I'm going to get shaved again.
So then we might have to have you back if we do a second season. You never know.
Can I still comment while I'm playing the game?
You're in the limelight now, Bobs. No more commenting. This is Psycho Racket's time to shine. Psycho Racket's time to shine.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, so for everyone just joining us, the way we work with Game Night with G, we have 3 sections for the teams to make points. We have a feud section, which is basically I give Team Psycho Racket 1 minute on the clock. My timekeeper, Neha, will show you the time. And you can just reel off as many answers as you can. And if you
sorry, we lost you there for a second.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe can you repeat that for a second?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sorry, Bobs. I was just saying that you have a minute on the clock to reel off as many answers as you can. And here's hoping you get as many as the top 5 answers that I have. Are you guys with me so far?
Perfect. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
All right. All right. So let me just quickly hear the comments section. If there's anything on our clarity, if we are fine to go. I feel like everyone's pretty much into it and ready to go. Let's not waste any more time. Team Psycho Racket, your first question on Game Night with G. All right?
All right.
Let's do this.
Supriya and Bobs, what comes to mind when I say the word Switzerland? Your time starts now.
Cheese, mountains, Alps.
Yes, cheese.
Chocolates.
Alps, yes,
chocolates.
Chocolates and cheese are same section. Yes, keep going.
No.
What else?
Federer, Roger Federer.
Yes, Roger Federer. I was looking for that. That's on our section. Yes.
Cows fall.
Keep going.
Tina Hingis, Grand Slam champions.
Cows, yeah.
Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge.
Yes. No. Look for other things. The only person I had was Roger. What else is Switzerland known for?
Yes,
what
Raj.
else is Switzerland
Yes, Raj.
famous for?
Yes, Raj. Snow.
Keep going.
Bollywood.
Yes, I
watches,
got Alps and snow
chocolates,
and watches.
cheese,
I was looking for
rain.
watches. That's the one I wanted. Just one more answer to go. It's the number 2 answer.
Okay.
Though. It's the number 2 answer. We have 4 out of 5. We're just looking for the number 2.
Bells,
Swiss watch.
bells, cows.
Fall, autumn, what?
Yes, Chopra. Bollywood, milk.
I think I saw
Bollywood
Vandana
milk.
with the
Yes,
answer.
Chopra.
And that's time. That's
What?
time, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, well done, guys. Great job. Good start. So let me quickly show Team Psycho Racket what I had for Switzerland. All right.
Okay.
The answer was Alps, snow and skiing, chocolates and cheese. You had the watch, Swiss watch or army knife. Roger Federer for 5 points. I don't know if you said Swiss bank. I'm not sure. If you said it. I did not
we
hear
did not.
it.
We did not.
Okay.
No, we didn't. That's a good one.
So 80 out of 100. Pretty simple start. Solid. 80 out of 100, guys. Good job. Solid
Perfect.
Start.
Perfect.
Sorry.
Let's go.
That's my bad. That's 75. That's why I don't do the maths. Anyway.
Can you give Swapna a break?
Hey, G, you forgot. You're not supposed to tell us the score.
Yeah.
Oh,
He can't help it.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry, dude. I gotta get over the routines. I gotta change my routines. I got it. You did good. You did well. I just say that from now on. You did well.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Team Psycho Racket. Your second question. Okay. Name something you better not interrupt a woman while she's doing it. Your time starts now.
Talking.
Number one answer, talking. Great job. Keep going. Give me some answers. Give me
I
some
know
answers.
what is good. Crying,
Driving. Shopping.
Keep going.
concentrating.
Shopping, yes. Shopping is number 4. Yes. Sorry. Actually
Makeup.
number 2 on our list. We didn't say that.
Makeup.
Makeup, yeah.
Makeup.
Yeah, that's
Cooking,
true. That's true.
Cooking. Sleeping.
cooking while she's on the phone. While she's on the phone, while she's
she's-
reading. Maybe when
Yes, yes.
when she's at work.
Keep going. Keep going.
Driving. Work.
What else? What else do you not like to be interrupted with, Supriya? Keep thinking.
Driving. Makeup.
Yeah. Cooking.
Dressing. Dressing.
Dressing, yes, yes. Anything else? Think Netflix.
Crying. What about crying? Sharing.
Eating. Screaming.
While she's at work.
I like it. I like it. I like it. Keep going. Keep going.
Eating. Screaming. Working. Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Sleeping, yes, they got that. Sleeping was what I was looking for. Fantastic. That was the one. So that makes my life easier.
Okay.
So
I
don't
think
know
we
how
said
to cover
sleeping.
the
You
points.
missed it in the earlier one.
We said sleeping.
You got. Oh, okay. So we had talking at number 1. Don't interrupt a woman while she's talking, right, Bobs?
Agreed.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Taking a nap.
Yeah.
That's sleeping. Makeup, getting
Watching
ready.
TV. Okay.
Shopping.
For sure.
Did they get watching TV too? Did they get watch? Okay, but I know you got the top 4. I don't know about watching TV, but 95.
I thought I was
sorry,
on the
sorry.
phone. So my app is on my phone.
All I know is that you did very well. You did really good. That's all you need to know.
Thank you. By the way, we want to know if everybody coming to K Resort. Whenever we lost you again, a quick question. Yeah, I want to know
I'm
when.
losing you for a second. Yeah. Tell me, Bobs.
Whenever everybody gets to K Resort, can we buy that shirt there?
Yes.
I mean, I'm coming for the live.
Okay. I heard that all the players on Game Night with G are coming together to cash in on their 2 nights and 3 days. If you guys make that
Yes.
happen, this shirt is for
Yes.
sale. This shirt is in there.
You know what?
It's
Not
in there
only
for
make that
negotiation.
happen, we'll have all the players go live streaming on a game night there from K Resort.
I like it. I like it, Bobs. I like it. For those of you watching, I've had a lot of game nights with Bobs. I remember that one of the best things that we did preparing for the Pune Open and the Chennai Open, which we played together, was playing a lot of game nights in December. It really helped us
Yes.
loosen up for sure.
No,
All
no,
right.
and something. I'm loving all the comments. Great, thank you.
Yeah.
Whoever's saying it, they're saying auction for the T-shirt. Apparently, if we get a room, the shirt comes free. So it's great to see these comments, I must say.
I can't wait to see Team Psycho Racket, Team Patiala Peg, and the whole lot here at Pondicherry.
I mean, if we're
very
doing
soon.
the holiday,
Hopefully when the
we're all
lockdown
doing
and
it
times are
together.
better.
That's for sure. Yes.
Now, that's the dream, guys. That's the dream. That's the dream.
Yes, that's the dream.
That being said, let's get back to game night, everyone. We have one more question on the feud for Team Psycho Racket. Now, Bobs, I gave you a little clue earlier, and this is where we want to take advantage of that. All right?
Okay.
Yes.
I mean, that clue
By
you
the way,
gave me
that
was
was the worst
was
clue
not-
ever, G.
I know. It's the most vague clue in the world, just for everyone to know.
So weird.
Okay, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Your final question on the feud segment. Name something. Sorry. I'm going to start that again. Name some South Indian food, drink, and things you will find in a South Indian restaurant. Did you hear me?
No, we lost you.
Reset.
Name some.
Reset. Name some South Indian food, drink, and things you will find in a South Indian restaurant. Did you hear me on that?
filter coffee,
Filter
Filter
coffee.
coffee.
Rasam,
Rasam,
thali,
idli,
Yes, I got it.
thali,
Idli, yes, that's
dosa,
1, 2.
vada.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, Vada, okay.
Pongal.
You got 4 out of 5.
pongal, dosa.
Pongal, yes.
Upma.
You got 4 out of 5. Yeah, you've got 4 out of 5. I'm just looking for the
Dosa,
5
dosa,
pointer.
dosa, idli.
Yeah, idli,
Dosa,
dosa, great job. Yes, I heard rasam too.
Uh,
I heard
rice,
rasam and I heard
buttermilk,
vada.
rice,
The
Keep going.
Akiyoti.
rice.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Maybe there's something
the
in the comment
banana-
section. Keep going. You got
Banana
4 out of 5,
leaf.
just the 5 pointer missing.
Sambar,
Banana, stop
chutney.
the timer. Stop it.
Yeah.
That was my googly with the banana leaf, but Bopana was not falling for that. Experienced man
I mean,
looking into the comments.
Wow.
That was,
Wow.
I think you should tell all the viewers
Curd
here
rice.
what your clue was for us.
Yeah, please. Why don't you share your good for nothing clue?
Okay. I will let everyone watching us on Game Night know my big clue for this team was think of your South Indian roots. Was all I said.
That's it.
That's all I said.
That's
That was,
definitely.
I guess that was more than enough.
So
That was
we
more
asked
than enough
him
because
to mean down south.
they got a very, very good score.
All you said.
Amisha clearly rose the South Indian roots because she said lungi there, by the
She
way.
said lungi. Yeah.
I don't know which restaurant is serving lungi.
Terrible. Nishu.
Lungi.
Maybe Bala and Mithun, when they start a restaurant, they'll be serving that.
They will be serving for sure. It will be called the Moratu Single
totally
Restaurant.
visit that.
Moratu Single.
Oh.
Maratu single, exactly. By the way, the game night is popular in Lahore because Mr. Essam Mullah Qureshi is helping us there too.
Oh, Isam's here.
Yes,
What's up,
Sam.
bro?
Yes.
Good job, good job. Isam in the house, everyone. Solid to see him here. Should have introduced these guys as the coolest Indian couple. I should have, Isam. I should have. Next time I'll talk to you about how to do introductions. I'll take a chapter out of the Qureshi book.
So sweet.
So, Bobs, I'm not going to tell you your score, but I have been told to tell you guys are doing very well. You're doing very well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All on your wonderful clue.
No,
The game night, it sounds like, how in the lockdown we hear some cheers when the football matches are going on. It seems like that now. For game night also, you have some sound coming from all over, like surround sound.
Hey, man, we just keep getting better and better. We just keep getting better and better. We found out that on Insta Live, if 2 people clap, it sounds like 20.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Okay, then we'll join in. Let's just clap along.
If you guys start clapping, it'll sound like there's 40 people.
Done. It's on.
Okay, guys. So moving into the second segment, everybody. Team Psycho Racket will now need to choose one player to join me for Quick Wit. I think Rohan knows this game very well, so I'm just going to update everyone watching. What's going to happen is one player gets chosen from the team, steps forward, and keep in mind that whoever the other player is, you can help your partner, and whoever's on the line to talk about the answers, you can talk to your partner about it, but the answer has to come out of the player that's playing. Okay? So, I'll take the first word that comes out. I'll take the first word.
And only one of this. Is that what you're saying? Or do we take turns?
Yes.
And
yes.
we go with the
First
lady.
First 5 questions.
G, are you there?
Okay.
I'm with
So
you.
it's just
I'm
one
with
person
you.
who
I
takes
hear you.
this round.
Ladies first.
Correct. It's only one person that's going.
So
Okay, we'll go with ladies first, is what they've decided.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So Supriya
Let's-
is going to be
yeah.
playing the game first. Now,
Yeah.
Supriya,
Yeah,
how's our connection? Do
Yes.
you hear me well? Do you hear me good?
Yes,
Yeah.
I hear you.
Okay, great.
Hmm.
So now, 45 seconds on the clock. Just give me the first thought that comes into your head when I read out these questions, okay? And if you don't hear anything, just let me know you didn't hear it and I'll repeat the question.
Yeah. Done.
Done. Okay. Your time starts once I read out the question. The first question is pretty long, okay? So stay with me on this. And you start the timer only
Okay.
when I know they've heard it. Okay. Supriya, Serena Williams, Rafael Nadal, and Roger Federer are the most followed tennis personalities across all social media platforms put together. This is a fact. Tell me who is the 4th most followed person, tennis player on social media platform? Your time starts now.
Tanya Mirza.
Name something that everyone should get in the habit of doing. Keep going. Quick.
Like workout.
Okay. Name an occupation
Exercise.
that ends with the word woman. Name an occupation that ends with the word man. Sorry, ends with the word man.
Sportsman.
Okay. Name something a vegetarian might put in a sandwich.
Sandwich.
Yeah.
Vegetarian.
Quick.
Tomato.
Name something people usually break. Name something people usually break.
Break. Glass.
Yes. Okay. Well done.
I was about to say heart,
Wow.
but then that would have been a little too cheesy.
Wow. Fantastic playing there, Supriya and Rohan. Solid teamwork. Really good teamwork from you two.
Thank you.
Let's
I'm
go.
trying my best not to tell your score. Let's just leave that aside.
Yes,
for now.
I can see that. I know you're having a really tough time not telling it.
Something different, something
I can
different.
see that. Yes.
It is something different for sure. But what does my scorekeeper have to say? Did they do well?
I think they did fabulously.
You did fabulous, Supriya, is what I've heard. You've done
Thanks,
fabulous.
Swapna.
All right.
I'm sending lots of love.
Yes, lots of good vibes for sure. And now,
As I'm saying, for soups, I was expecting hearts.
what's Aisa?
These lines, my God.
Alrighty. So now, as we all know, it's time for the big man Bopana to step to the plate. Bobs, you know very well how this works. Just let me know with a thumbs up when you're ready, and I'm ready to go.
Ready, mate, ready.
All right, partner. Self-conscious is a word that begins with self. Tell me another word that begins with self. Your time starts now.
Belief, self-belief.
Name a sport where you have very little clothes on.
Beach volleyball.
Name a word that starts with the word bar. Bar.
Bartender.
Okay. Name something a father looks for in a guy that wants to marry his daughter. What does a father look for in a guy that wants to marry his daughter?
Money. Job.
Stability.
Okay. Name something that a doctor might check during a checkup.
Pulse.
We'll take it. Perfect. Good job. Alrighty. Just a quick question on that the previous one where they said.
Ready?
Yeah, stability. Can I get a little more clarity on stability? Just when you say stability, I need a little bit more clarity. You mean
Job.
Is that what you mean?
Balance.
Okay.
Job,
Perfect.
balance.
I like it. Okay. Very good. How did they do? They did good? Okay.
Jeevji, we have another request.
What's up?
Before we go into the next round, can we do the talent round? Can I start with my talent and then end after that next round with Supriya's talent?
So you're going to give the audience 2 talents. I like that. I love that.
Yes.
You have the green light from me. So Rohan
And
Bopana,
they're
the
inspired
floor
by
is yours.
team.
Please bring out your talent.
I am inspired by the Moratu singer, guys.
Inspired by Morate single.
Not Mithun, Bala.
Especially from Mr. Balaji himself.
Most teammates award.
Yeah, and I'm going to do a mix of this Hindi song with a little bit of traditional Coorg dancing for you.
Okay.
It's called to usually.
Okay, perfect, guys.
I mean, the dance is done to
Ladies
Bala,
and gentlemen,
but then he's
Rohan
to,
Bopana
yeah.
is going to be dancing. Sorry,
We're
please
losing.
go ahead.
Tell me if you can hear this music.
Yes.
Thank you, G.
God damn, dude, the comment section is on fire. The comment section is on fire after that.
Oh God, I couldn't. Unfortunately, I was too far from seeing the comments, but I trust your word on that.
You did very
Cheers
good
to that.
again,
Cheers
Bob.
to
You did
that.
very good.
Cheers.
You did very, very good. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Oh God, that was brutal.
Inspired by Team Moritz single. Fantastic. Balaji, the ever sharp Balaji says 25 out of 25, which is where we are right now because we go 25 from partner A, 25 from partner B, which we will take after the next segment. Is that right? Supriya, your talent
Yes.
is after this segment. Is that right?
I mean, that's up to you. I mean, I'm seeing the comments going, 50-50. A lot of my students
wait.
watching here, they want
I
me
wanna
to.
wait.
Lot of the students watching here, they want me to dance on the tennis court on Monday. I don't know how that is happening. Especially Rishi, who's always there, in the comment section.
Rishi is the man. I agree. Rishi is the man. Rishi is the man for sure. But you guys keep it up. All I can say is I can predict a lot of dancing in the future for Psycho Racket in the immediate future. If you guys keep this up.
Thank you.
You know it, G.
And Assam Qureshi asks us what's in that drink. It is pure coffee, Assam, filter coffee.
Coffee, bro. Coffee all the way. Indian style, not Irish. Let's move on, everybody, to the final segment
Okay.
of Game Night with G. So, who's more likely to? Pretty simple game over here. I'm going to read out some questions. And
Okay.
Supriya and Bob's hands together where I can see them. And just make my life easier by making a simple point either way to either
Yeah.
person. And obviously, let's see. If you point to the same person, you guys make 30 points each question. And if you miss it, then you lose about 30 points.
Do we
I like
we
it.
either Oh yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Sorry.
You guys ready? Okay, you guys
Yes.
are ready.
Ready.
Okay, so Team Psycho Racket, please close your eyes. Psycho Racket, I have to get used to saying that.
It's
Yeah, I do know what you're saying. Psycho for the psychologist and Racket for the fantastic tennis
Yes,
player.
that's exactly what
Team
it is.
chemistry over
Yes.
there. Fantastic team name.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we're not giving
Thank
any points for team names in this season, but it is a very solid name.
And there will be
Thank
a
you.
second
Thank
season,
you.
not that. Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you,
guys, so
Sarada.
please
I want to give a big shout out to my sister.
close
there.
your eyes and let's begin with question number 1. Between Rohan and Supriya, who is more likely to order the perfect meal for the other person? Boom. Open your eyes.
Easy. I think everybody in the family knows it too. He is the master of ordering, and he always orders in such a way that there's no wastage, the right portions. It's no brainer.
Just a foodie. That's all.
Yeah.
I've had enough meals with Rohan to know that he's a class order person. He knows what he's doing there.
Yes.
So let's move on to number 2. Let's move on to the second question, guys. Solid start as usual.
Okay.
Between Rohan and Supriya, who is more likely to alphabetize everything? Open your eyes, but Supriya, I don't see your hand, but oh yeah, use the other hand. Okay. Perfect. 2 out of 2. 2 out of 2. Solid, guys. Solid stuff.
G, you need to get better questions than that. These are like, there's no question. I mean, who's
Okay, calm down.
keeping on, house, order, everything in order. There's nothing. That's definitely Supriya there.
I have to give around 3 or 4 googlies and about.
I'm so
five
nervous
or
about that
six
because
easy ones.
I love those googly questions because you really are taking an effort to get to know the player. So
I'm just letting you guys ease into these questions.
G, actually, you shouldn't call it a googly. You should actually call it, the G1 serve because nobody knows where it's going.
Half the time, even I don't know where it's going.
That's what I'm saying. I said you should say these are G1, my serve questions, not a googly.
I just said match point down special. All right, guys. That being said, it's time for the first G1 special, as Bobs likes to call it. Time for the first one. All right. This question is from your good friend Somdev Devarman, stepping in for a contribution. So, Rohan and Supriya are having a long weekend, a lot of organizing and planning going on, and it's reached around 3 a.m. in the morning, and there's an argument. There's some kind of argument at 3 a.m. Who is more likely to want to win that argument? Open your eyes.
I mean,
Yeah, there's no question whether it was.
I like that.
Whether it was 3 p.m. or 3 a.m., it would have been the same answer you had got.
yeah. No brainer.
Really?
Yes.
Tells me not
I love
everyone
your
is like
oblivious to this.
And the question coming from Somdev is even more hilarious.
Exactly.
Exactly. Coming from
I know
Somdev is
Somdev's
even better.
answer as well. At 3 a.m., he's the one who wants to win the argument as well.
With Somdev, if I was having this
Thanks, Assam.
argument at 3 a.m., I would rather go to sleep. I would agree and go to sleep because I would never win
The
that.
question should have been if Somdev and Rohan were having this argument. That would have been a googly question.
No,
Because we don't know who's winning.
I think Rohan would have pointed to Somdev. That's my guess. Okay, so guys, we're 3 out of 3. We are 3 out of 3. Moving into the 4th question now. Okay, if the Bopanas were hosting, close your eyes, guys. Yes, if the Bopanas were hosting a costume party at their house, okay, who is more likely to make a bigger effort to dress up?
Can you see what I'm wearing? I'm competing with your lights.
Dude, I was told that this wouldn't be that easy, but apparently it's very easy.
Yes.
I mean, I think your timekeeper could have answered that for you.
100%. This question actually came from the scorekeeper and the timekeeper.
Yeah, because She's been part of those many costume parties.
Yeah, I think you've been part of the costume parties. You know who it is. And by the way, Sanam, Neha's taking a break from half squat. She's resting for the next few minutes. She's taking a break from the half squat.
See, we want to give your team a break.
Yes, I remember Sanam mentioning that one.
Yeah. Okay. Next question. Close your eyes, guys. Question 5. Bobs and Supriya are walking down the road in, let's say, Paris. You guys are going for a nice walk down.
Can you start from the beginning? We missed
We
you.
missed you, yeah.
Okay. Can you guys hear me now? Perfect.
Yeah.
If Bobs and Supriya are walking down the roads in, say, Champs-Élysées in Paris, tell me who is more likely to spend, say, $500 on a piece of clothing? Open your eyes, open your eyes. Bobs, I know you like to throw it down, bro, on the clothing. So I thought it might be a little tough, but you got it.
If you
But if you're at Paris, Champs-Élysées is not somewhere I like to shop. That's why.
yeah. And also, if you would have specified like maybe shoes or gadgets, then yeah.
Okay. All right.
I think
All
you're
right.
off
You
your
guys are
game
doing
with
very
your
solid.
questions, Jeevesy.
I mean, you guys are not missing one, so let's keep going. Kanika, yeah, she can plank for the rest of the show. She'll switch it up. Kanika wants you to plank. Okay, guys. Next question. It might sound simple, but I'm quite curious to know what the answer is. Close your eyes. Between Rohan and Supriya, who is more likely to go for a concert? Any concert.
We missed you completely.
We lost you there again. Sorry.
Okay, no worries. Who is more likely to go for a concert between the two of you? Yeah. Did you guys hear me? More likely to go for. Okay, I see your point. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Where is that point? I can't really see. Did you guys get it? I'm losing. Okay. All right.
That's a Google.
You guys got it. Sorry, I lost you for a second.
I should do the left hand. Yeah, I'll do the left hand.
I think she should do the left hand. Maybe better for you
Yeah,
guys.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
Actually,
I think so.
that
Sorry, I
was a
just lost you
googly
for a second.
because
That was a googly because
that was a big googly because we have a pact where we try to watch. I mean, go for one concert a year at least, and both of us love our concerts.
I
So
know
that was a
I know
big
that.
googly.
That's why it was.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be a not so easy
Yeah.
question.
That was a
Yeah.
great question. Tricky.
Well, I'm not able to get you guys, so I need to dig a little deeper. Sounds like. Okay. So now, a little bit of a long question, guys. So let's hope for some good Wi-Fi with this question. All right.
Okay.
Close your eyes before I begin. Close your eyes. Okay. Aladdin's face was modeled after Tom Cruise, and Ariel from The Little Mermaid.
You gotta start it again. Sorry, we lost you in the start.
Okay. So sorry. I'll start again. I said Aladdin's face was modeled after Tom Cruise, and Ariel from The Little Mermaid is Hercules' niece. I can tell you how that happened because Ariel's grandfather is Poseidon, the Greek god, and Hercules' father was Zeus. He's also a Greek god. So they are obviously brothers. So who is more likely to be surprised by this fact? Who is more surprised by this fact? Got it? Yeah, got it.
Please, who comes up with these questions? Who's coming up with this question?
What a question!
What?
Is that a fact?
It is a fact, by the way,
What is-
because
what is this? I want to know.
Ariel's father Ariel from the Little Mermaid, her dad is Trident, and Trident's father is the Poseidon, who is the god of water. Okay, and Hercules is the son of Zeus, who are both Greek gods.
He's like, I'm done. I don't want to know this.
Somewhere that's why I was fully surprised on the question. Mainly.
No, let's stop.
I think not only.
Can you please tell us whose question this is? We need to know.
I don't think you surprised us. I think you surprised the entire 95 people watching here.
I had to dig really deep, dude. I had to find something. I'm not able to find one. I'll keep the next question shorter. I'm going to keep the next question shorter. Okay? Close your eyes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Who is more likely to change a song every 30 seconds?
that is.
Tell us about that, Supriya. Tell us about that.
Tell us about that. But ask me when I'm driving what happens. If Supriya's in the car, that song, I don't know, by the time we get to the perfect song, I'd have driven like about 14, 15 kilometers.
And each song, there's this one line that I say for each song, which is, what a song.
Put you on the spot.
What a song. Oh, what a song.
But you guys chose, tell us the story behind that intro song that you guys chose. Ek Junoon. Tell us the story about that song.
So that song is from the movie, the first Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, which obviously a lot of you guys know. It was our first movie together a decade ago.
Yeah.
A decade ago.
So that's a decade ago.
Yeah, it was
and the thing says, let's paint the town red. So hence the red.
Which is kind of our philosophy.
The red wall and fun night with you and everybody here watching.
Nice, man. I like that. I like that.
That's awesome. Sumit Lagal says more like rum in the coffee.
Sumit Nagal would say that.
I don't want to say anything about Sumit Nagal saying rum in the coffee.
Sumit Nagal would say that. Okay. So guys, if you're ready, I'm ready for question number 9. Question number 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Bopana and Supriya, you guys all mentioned that there's a second lockdown happening in Bangalore soon. So tell me something. Since there's so many lockdowns, who is more likely to rush to the beach as soon as the lockdown ends? Want to go to the beach, anyone? Yeah. I see it. Open your eyes. Okay, beach lover, Bopala. Supriya, not a beach person?
She is, but not as much as I am.
And also, I mean, you take a guy who's been on the road for so long, and then his lockdown is really a lockdown. So he's running to the beach.
Wow,
yeah.
Guys.
I'm definitely a beach person, but I want to be the
said that this might be tough. Neha said this might be tough because both of you are beach babies, is what she told me.
Yes.
Neha said you both are beach babies.
So, but when you said who's the first person, that was easy.
Yeah, he's going. He's running to the beach and you're changing the music. You're changing the music every 30 seconds.
Perfect. That's why we're coming to K Resort. Because also, we have everything there.
Also, G,
and the beach is less than 200 yards from here.
Also, it takes so much longer to bloody pack a baby bag, yeah. So by the time I catch up.
We will have all provisions for babies, all provisions for pets, pet-friendly resort, everything at K Resort. We have all the few pet-friendly resorts here. So yeah, if you guys don't want to leave your pets, please bring them to K Resort.
I want to bring some light to the job that Swapna has done at K Resort, and how she put it together before your wedding in what was it, a week or like a month to a week.
She still doesn't talk to me about that because it's one of the most stressful weeks of her life.
Yeah, I mean, we could paint at your wedding.
A stressful week for a great couple.
Yes.
Why not?
That's right.
Absolutely.
You take that.
Thank you guys.
Yes.
Any day.
Stressful week for a great couple, they say. All right. 9 out of 9. Is that right?
9 out of 9.
Hey, man.
That's a bad joke, Sumit Nagal, by the way.
I didn't his endurance. But anyway, guys, this is your chance to cap off one of the final question on losing.
G, we're losing you, buddy. We lost you there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you guys back?
You are back.
Sorry, am I back now? Am I back?
Yes.
You're back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Final question on who's more likely to. All right.
Okay. Final question.
Yeah. Oh.
I've decided to close your eyes, guys. Let me start. Okay, perfect. I've decided to give a phone call to Supriya or to Bopes. Okay, and it ended up being a missed call. I gave you a missed call. Who is more likely to reply with a text message?
Yeah,
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Wow. Wow, guys, fantastic. But before we get into
Yeah.
how you did,
I'm more of
there
a
is
talker
still
and
one
he's
more
more of a
segment.
texter.
There's
We
still
have one more
segment
segment.
that we're waiting for. Very excited.
And
for this.
you know, apart from being Supriya's first live session,
I am getting an intro from my
Supriya actually writes great poems. Okay? She writes great poems. And I've constantly tried to tell her that she needs to come out there and express these poems. And, you know, it's great, it's wonderful. So today, she's finally doing it for game night.
Supriya is going to give us a poem, ladies and gentlemen. A poem from Supriya Bopana for the audience at Game Night with G. Supriya, the floor is yours.
All right. So the poem is called Player's Box.
Player's Box. Okay.
And for those majority of the people who are watching know that Player's Box is significant for what you all do.
Very significant.
And for the ones who are supporting you, we're a community by ourselves. And this is my little ode to that. Okay.
Take it away.
Said my vows in 2012. Committed to a commitment I was. How to know when I'm needed, and when needed, how to then be of help. So I begin my journey. A degree of psychology in hand yet to be applied. Introduced on the tennis tour as Bopana's new bride. I watch, I listen, I learn, observing this game, which everyone insisted was quite simple and plain. I had questions quite embarrassing to ask, distracting me from my trial and task. But I had to put my curiosity to rest. So I sat him down, hoping he would humor my jest. And I asked, those balls in your pocket, do they obstruct your pace, your performance and luck? Those sweet nothings you whisper to your partner, does that especially help on days that are harder? Those hand signals you make behind your posterior, could it also be to assure you there is no rip in your interiors? I see you clap hands after each point, but I saw the point was missed, makes me perplexed and disjoint. Apparently to grunt aloud to perform better has a role, so help me know mine, as into this world I now enroll. He sighs his sigh, intrigued and amused, and educates me about intricacies and what all has me confused. Sits me down and explains the rules of the game, and that the player's box's rules aren't the same. I understood then I had to learn on the go, anchor myself for him to feel and flow. Be invested in each win and loss, to be invested even more in the result not being our boss. To try and not miss too much our family away from home, but make home on the road where we move and roam. Admiring every player hustle their way, keeping their grit and goal in constant play. While life on the road is pressurizing and unpredictable, you persevere in determined principle. With all that skill, passion, and stormy, walking on court as a one-man army. Applying all that you work for as I cheer on, watching your skip in the step on hard clay and lawn. Knowing you got this no matter the outcome, but then you glance quickly and get back to face the conundrum. And you do this in passing, no signal, no talk, but know that it's been an honor to be there for you in the player's box.
Wow. Wow. Supriya, why are you not gracing us with these poems more often, man? It's so good.
Definitely, definitely she should. I mean, when she said you're going to have this talent round, trust me, we thought about what all we should do. And then once she wrote this down, you know, I was very impressed. I mean, especially she writes a lot of poems, but something suddenly out of the tennis and the players box, which of course, as you know, is so significant for all of us.
Of course. Of course. Wow, it was unbelievable. By the way, Supriya, while you were sharing your poem with us, everybody was giving you 50s and applauding. It was a fantastic. Thanks for sharing that poem with everybody here. Thank you.
So everyone was giving a 50 and me 25. So we get 75 or what?
I do have something handy.
You might not be needing. Let me just tell you, you might not be needing 75 points, Rohan. That's how well you guys did. I don't think you're needed.
Okay, come on, let's hear it.
Hey, Bob, so are you interested to know how well you guys did or not? Do you want to know the score or should we just skip the score altogether?
I mean, yeah, I think now we can finally get to know. I mean, why not? I mean, there is no, we're happy to get done, right?
And timekeeper want you to guess how well you did. Do you want to take a guess on how well you did?
I don't think we were even...
I don't know, maybe just a little close to the peg, Patiala.
Yeah, even I feel we're like around their mark. I think we were definitely in the 800 club, like Amisha likes to call them.
Let me just say that you guys are not part of the 800 club, unfortunately.
What the hell?
Oh, don't tell me.
Don't tell me we're 900.
You guys are in the 900 club with 970 points out of 1,000.
Shaggy! Oh my God! No!
You know, 20 points out of 1,000. You guys lost.
I mean, that was like, you know, the 30 points are the Swiss bank.
Yeah.
The Swiss bank was 20.
Yeah. I think that Swiss bank lost it.
Supriya gave us 4 out of 5 number one answers, right? Supriya, your answers were 4 out of 5 number one answers with 1-0. Bopes had the number one answer in the first question, number one answer in the second question, number one answer in the third, the second best answer in the fourth, and the number one in the fifth. So you guys scored 190 and 170 each on, 160 each.
Oh my God.
Welcome the first members to the 900 club. Wow.
Woohoo! I mean,
you
and our
guys
daughter
performed way better than everybody in the focus group. You performed better than everyone in the focus group. Over 12 people did it, and their average score was around 250 out of 400, and they scored 360. You guys scored 360 out of 400. Unbelievable effort by Psycho Racket, our new leaders.
Thank you. So how about that? How about the 30 points?
the good news is you didn't beat them by a little. You beat everybody by a lot. So there's no negotiations required at this point.
Yeah.
If anybody wants to review it, they tell them they have to personally come to K Resort and then review it.
This is just trash talk. He's back on the comment section. Yeah.
He's back in the comment section.
And just for Game Night with G, I'll give you a 30-second of my
Take it away.
Remo dancing again for you.
Please. Yes, we want to see you dancing. Please.
Gee, thanks. Thank you for, super night.
Thank you for a super, super night, really.
I hope you guys had fun on game night with G.
Always.
I mean, if they didn't see us having fun, then I don't know what they were watching, to be honest. But most importantly, thank you, thanks Neha, thanks Swapna, everybody.
Thank you, everybody. I'm sure everybody who's been
Neha's
excited
giving a
about
thumbs
this
up from-
forum.
Neha's giving a thumbs up. like the timer. But guys, last thing that I quickly want to remind everyone, even though Team Psycho Racket has set up an unbelievable total of 970, we do have a comment section for Wednesday night's episode. We have about 4 more episodes to go in the first season, 2 more Saturdays and 2 more Wednesdays,
Wow.
if I'm not mistaken. So please comment, be a part of Game Night with G. Let's keep having fun and keep the spirits high through the lockdown. Stay safe, everyone in
Absolutely.
India, especially the Indian tennis
Well,
community.
and good job, G. It's a pleasure, really, to see you do this. Congratulations.
And the secret,
Thank you.
I should
Cheers,
say,
everyone.
have filter coffee, guys. It makes you play better.
Filter coffee was the number 4 answer, Bobs, and you got it.
Thank you, G. Bye.
Cheers. Bye. Good night.
Bye, everyone. Cheers.
Bye.
Guys. See you Wednesday night. Bye.
See you Wednesday night.
Wow, well, guys, there you have it. We have a ridiculously high total score. I just want to check the quick comment section and see what everyone's saying. Adil Kalyanpur, Cal saying he's going to enter next week. Pretty sure he's in it for the fun and not for the points, because 970 has just blown everyone out of the park. Fantastic job by Team Psycho Racket. I hope you all still keep tuning in just to have some fun, play some games, and obviously stay safe through the lockdown and stay safe through everything we're experiencing. Keep your spirits high, and another number 1 answer which Team Psycho Racket mentioned, stay fit. It's the number 1 thing that I said we need to be doing, especially now in the tennis community through all the madness. See you all very soon, Wednesday, for the Lucky Dip edition of Game Night with G. 4 more episodes to go. Come on, type and see if you guys can be a part of it. Bye, everyone.